example number 2, everyone can you read?
A bookstore clerk earns a salary of
15,000
per month plus 3% commission on all sales. In March, we sold 80,000 worth of supplies. How much did we earn in March?
Okay, so this time, ano ang papasok dito? Salary. So, per month siya. So, per month, yung clerk daw ay sumasahod ng 15,000 plus 3% commission. Okay, saan ang gagaling anak yung commission na to? Depende yon sa benta ng store. So, ang store nung March daw ay nakabenta ng halagang 80,000. So, meaning, para makompute natin anak yung total earnings niya, we need to add the salary plus the commission. Ibig sabihin anak, combination na to ng salary plus the commission. Papasok po dito anak ang total earnings. Okay, total earnings is equal to salary plus the commission. So, step number 1, alamin muna natin magkano yung naging commission niya. Okay, again, sabi ko nga kanina, kadalasan nagkakaroon ng commission ang isang empleyado kapag yung pinasukan niyang trabaho ay may binebentang product. Katulad nito, anong binebenta nilang product? Book, di ba? Kasi bookstore. Alam nga namang gamot, di ba? Okay, so nagbebenta sila ng book and then nakabenta sila ng 80,000 sa loob lang ng isang buwan. Okay, so first, para ma-identify natin yung total na makukuha niyang sahod, first, we need to calculate the commission. Okay, how to calculate the commission? Commission is equal to, okay, sa ilang percent? Rate times yung sales, kung magkano yung kanilang kinita. Okay, commission is equal to rate times sales. So, yung rate, ilang percent yung commission niya? Okay, 3%. Times, magkano yung kinita sa loob ng March? 80,000. And then, atong 3% anak, i-convert natin siya sa decimal. So, 3% is equal to, kung i-convert natin sa fraction, magiging 3 over 100 yan, tama? And then, sa decimal, 3% o 3. Asa ng decimal point niya? Wala po. Ibig sabihin, nasa dulo. Dito pa nasa kanan. I-move natin si decimal point going to the left. How many times? 2 times. Very good. 1, 2. So, meaning, 3% is equal to 0.03. I-multiply natin yan. 0.03 times 80,000. 2,400. Iyan yung commission pa lang niya, anak. Eh, ang tinatanong, magkano yung sasahurin niya sa loob ng isang buwan? Kung naka-commission siya ng 2,400. O, dito na po papasok yung total earnings. Total earnings is equal to, magkano yung salary niya, anak? 15,000 plus, magkano yung na-commission niya? 2,400. O, just add. 15,000 plus 2,400. Okay, ito yung sahod niya for the month of March. 17,400.